Hello dear friends, this is Lada and I'm so pleased to present to you something very magical, something very unusual. This is the actual inside look and the actual page of my magical workshop 1, Return of the Dragons, their realms and missions on planet Earth and beyond. I guarantee you have not seen anything like it before. So what I'm doing, I'm giving you a sneak peek at the actual page. This is what participants of this workshop and my course 2 subscribers, Multidimensional Souls of the Universe, will see when they start working on workshop about dragons. So you see the actual workshop page. Of course, the main workshop consists of a number of videos, and this is Welcome to Workshop 1, which is actually a public video. Then we go into very serious discussions. The missing link and the ancient split. Are reptilians and dragons the same? That's a very important discussion. Also will help you very much with understanding workshop 2. That's the reptilian workshop. Reptilians, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Do they rule the world, and is their time over? But this specific workshop 1 about dragons will help you understand how much they're different and why in fact they are the opposites, reptilians and dragons, which a lot of people confuse them and lump them together, which is completely wrong. How that idea became mainstream, what is the real truth, conspiracy theories, and I'm also discussing multidimensional wisdom. What is an overactive third eye? That's part of my multidimensional teaching. And dragon versus reptilian evolution, how they split up. And I give you very understandable examples, metaphors, things that you will understand even from Earth's history. It's very easy to grasp. There are beautiful dragon images throughout. The next one is dragons versus reptilians, important distinction. We continue talking about that, and that's also a very, very interesting episode with beautiful dragon images. The next one, high dimensional dragon beings and how they came and offered to help, and my multidimensional story. We are proceeding to why are dragons feared and revered, dragon missions, how dragons and reptilians work with reality, creating stars and planets, maintaining, heating up, and mending reality, ensuring continuation of life. See, these are all the missions of the dragons. Expansion of consciousness during Earthshift, call for different species. In other words, listen to this together with the reptilian workshop, in which I talk about how reptilians took over the planet Earth, and with that you will understand why I talk about different species. And more beautiful dragon images. Who are the dragons really? That's the next episode. The failure of the dinosaur civilization and dragon evolution. I go into all that. I show you very interesting dinosaur images as well. There's so much there to understand. Just that alone is so important. The dinosaur civilization, the dragon evolution. I talked about it in my early book, The Earthshifter. And there is a lot to understand there. Then dragon ascension, missions during low consciousness versus today, dragons as wisdom and wealth keepers, opening doors into other dimensions, how to approach and live with the dragon guys. That's actually very, very interesting. Again, great images, dragons, dinosaurs throughout. Dimensions of dragons and how they incarnate, colors and characteristics, soul hybrids versus soul blends. I discussed it in this very interesting, very intricate episode as well. And let's see how this episode works. Hello, dear friends. And this is a very exciting episode as well. And in this episode, I want to talk to you about dragons, their traits, their blends, etc. What are they really? Their dimensions, right? Let's see what we're talking about in this episode. In the next episode, we talk about the universal dance of creation in beautiful images, Chinese dragons, meanings and looks, then phoenixes, dragons, celestial soulmates. I discuss all this. I show you images. I explain how all this energy works universally. Then Earth's ley lines and dragons, moderating lines of communication between Mother Earth, nature, and humanity. And then sylphs, sky dragons, and phoenixes. Then in the next one, we have the summary of traits and features of incarnated dragons. You don't want to get on the dragon's bad side. Well, that's what this episode is about. And then the next one is famous incarnated dragons and how to recognize your dragon. Actually, 2 videos, 37 minutes and 25 minutes. I give you all the face reading, body reading, energy reading, all these features, what they're about, what they go for, what kind of professions, careers, vocations, and callings, what kind of missions they have. We discuss over 20 different incarnated dragons and dragon oversouls. This is a huge piece. This segment number 10 consists of 2 large videos, 25 and 37 minutes. And the 11th is the ultimate confirmation, etymology and forbidden linguistics. What does the word dragon or drakon really mean, and where does it come from? That's the ultimate explanation. And there is a written bonus that goes with this episode. We're nearing the completion of workshop 1. Wasn't that a really great ride? I don't know about you, I enjoyed it tremendously. So there will be one more episode below, don't miss it. And in the end, I will tell you about Q&As on how to ask questions. Then we have what galactic dragons look like, dragon show and tell. I show you dragon oracle and tarot decks I love, and also explain how to take part in our Q&A. And we have a bonus conclusion, why they have returned, why are dragons in demand, and what's their true mission. And a full list of dragon missions will be in transcript below. And we have a huge bonus, complete workshop 1 transcript. There is a lot of additional information. If you ever want to read, to review, to refresh your memory, this is where you will go. And as mentioned, the actual list of dragon missions will be all the way down in the transcript as well. So that's all for this overview. I'm sure you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this workshop tremendously, creating it from scratch, from start to finish. There are many interesting and one-of-a-kind revelations in this workshop, and it goes hand in hand with this workshop about reptilians. If you want to buy these workshops, you go to info page. So you go to ladaray.com and either go to MDU drop down menu course 2, and this leads you to this page. And on this page you have links to where to buy either workshops, individual workshops, or whole workshop series, complete course 2, consisting of 9 workshops, which are being released one by one every 3 to 6 weeks. So far I released the first 2. These are the first 2 workshops, and you can buy individual workshops as they come out, or you can buy the whole course and save 30%. This is early bird special. Please don't miss it, because it will eventually go away. So the discount will still be there, but it will be a lesser discount. If you are a US person, you even can get through PayPal a delayed payment, pay in 4 or 6 installments for the whole workshop series. I highly recommend it, as I said, because you save a ton of money and you really want to know the whole picture. This is the full picture of the universe. On this info page we have workshop pricing and a full list of workshops. That's both on checkout page and on course 2 info page. I recommend you actually read both of these pages from start to finish so you don't miss something. This is all I wanted to share with you, my dear friends. I hope to see you as participant in my course 2, Multidimensional Souls of the Universe, or you can always choose to buy individual workshops. And without further ado, this is all from Lada Ray. See you around.